Nĩ mũcemanio ũrĩa ũrehete hamwe anyiti itemi matiganĩte rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo mwena wa Baringo ya mũhuro kaunti-inĩ ya Baringo. Anyiti itemi aya macemanĩtie tondũ kũrĩ na mbu ya kwaga kwa arutwo a kũigana cukuru-inĩ imwe cia secondary na makĩria cia kũinũkwo thĩna mũnene ũkĩrĩkana nĩ wagi wa ũhoti wa kũrĩha bithi.
We have resorted now to pay school fees for scholars in these schools, that is the C4 schools. When we are paying them, obviously they will now get new enrollments.
Kũringana na anyiti itemi aya kũrĩ na cukuru imwe cirĩ hatĩka-inĩ ya kũhingwo ũndũ ũrĩa marauga abatie kũrũmbũiyo nĩguo wetherwo kĩhonia.
You know, there is a specific number that at least they should have almost more than 50 students. So when you get anything less than 50, that means that school is good as closed. We don't want to see our schools closed.
Ukiangalia hawa walimu wa principals wakiongea ni kuwa katika mashule sao ni ngumu sana kupata shule yenye wako na wanafunzi more than 20. Wengi wako na wanafunzi from 1 to 10, wengine 11 to 20. Wenye wako na wanafunzi more than 20 ni mashule machache sana.
Mwena-inĩ wao arutani na arũgamĩrĩri a macukuru marauga wagi wa ũnyitanĩri wa anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa gĩthomo nĩguo ũkinyĩtie macukuru mamwe irima-inĩ irĩkũ ũndũ marĩ hatĩka-inĩ ya kũhingwo.
There is something wrong. Some people may not be telling you the truth. There must be something wrong. There is a disconnect between the principals and the leaders. We don't sit as a family and discuss issues facing us. There is a big disconnect. And this disconnect must be addressed.
And as the stakeholders of education in this sub-county, we really seek for unity during this time. Remember, in education we are transitioning from 844 to the CBE. And this CBE is the one which has come with all these challenges we are talking about here.
Tukinyamaza namna hiyo, pengine mwaka 4 tutafunga mashule karibu 3/4. Na sisi tukiwa Baringo South, nafikiri hatutakubali namna hiyo. Lazima sisi wote tuongee pamoja. Mheshimiwa tuko na yeye hapa, kama itawezekana wabadilishe hiyo policy katika bunge ili mashule yote ikuwe sawa wakati ya admission.
Aciari nĩ moritio metikire kũhĩmbĩria cukuru iria cirĩ hakuhĩ nao kuona mũtaratara-inĩ ũrĩa ũrĩ kuo rĩu wa gĩthomo mũrutwo no atheremere cukuru oro yothe ĩrĩa arathomera.
I want to urge students, I want to urge children, I want to urge parents, instead of taking children far with a lot of expenses, and we are giving free scholarship in Baringo South, just to take advantage of this free scholarship. Let your children go and study in C4 schools, our day schools. They will achieve what any student can achieve anywhere. We have the teachers who are capable, they can do well, and they will teach well, and they graduated well, and they are very wise, very ample, very flexible. I don't see why you cannot perform.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.